So I've been building a new website from scratch in Framer for my new community, surprise, surprise, for solopreneurs to connect, co-work, and feel less alone. And Framer just launched a new feature that is super helpful because it lets you edit a page very, very, very fast. And sometimes, you just want to fix a headline, you want to change a button text, or you want to update an image quickly without breaking anything and without having to click through 100 layers and components. And now you can, because that's where Framer's new on-page editing comes in. And I want to show you now how it works. Thank you so much to Framer for sponsoring this video. I'm really loving my new website and building it and the whole process. So let's dive in and I'll show you how it works. First of all, if you're not familiar with Framer, then this is what the canvas looks like, or this is where you build the landing pages, home pages, whatever you want to build. And this is the page that I've created for the community, the home page. And yeah, so it has different elements. And if you want to change anything, you just can click in and then change the text here, but then you need to like double click multiple times and you click into it and then you can change the text. Then also if you want to change the video, you need to go here, change the URL here, or if you want to change components, then it's like here you need to change the text. So I would say it's quite intuitive, but with the on-page editor, it's even more intuitive and you don't have to see any of the canvas and get distracted or break anything. So let me show you what it would look like if you are using the on-page editor. So I just go to the home page and now this edit content button appears. So I can just click and everything that is editable is like just glowed for a second in this blue color. And also it glows whenever you hover over it. And so I can change all of this text. So I would just click in and then I can see directly also what it would look like on the page and edit the content like this. I can also change the button text by clicking into it and then changing the text. I can change the video link, much easier. Like I don't have to find where this is. I can just click and find it. Super, super easy. And you can add people you work with as editors. So give them edit access and then they can just only have access to, your blog post, adding new blog posts to the website or changing copy. They don't need access to the designer and everything else in the backend that you've built because they may also break it. So this is great for collaboration as well. And for example, these components as well, you just like click on it and then you can change the text, which is really, really, really handy. And like I mentioned, for CMS pages and blog post pages, this is super, super helpful because you can just click on this edit content button. Again, you can exchange images, you can replace headlines and texts. You can also now format text directly in this editor with this inline editor. So I can change the heading, I can change the text, I can add a quote. I can do so many cool things without going to the canvas, which is really, really helpful. And I can even add new blog post pages with this structure because it's in a CMS collection directly from the editor. This feels so much more like editing a document and not as overwhelming as, editing all the time in the canvas. Better for collaboration, so I'm really, really excited about this. Thank you again so much to Framer for sponsoring this video and for helping us get our ideas onto a page easily. If you want to finally try Framer, I think now is the time, then you can use my code MariaLedentsova for a free month of Framer Pro. I think this is a great deal, so have fun and let me know how it goes. Bye bye.